Hi, day 10 on how to fix your mental health in 30 days. Try going to bed 30 minutes earlier than usual. You would be surprised on how much an impact just 30 minutes would do on your sleep and on your energy the day after. Sleep is very important. Actually, a lot of people around the world have difficulty sleeping all through the night. Don't know if you're one of them. And a lot of people actually are just sleeping not as long in REM sleep as they are supposed to because of a stressful environment or other mental diseases. Or right now in people maybe are in lockdown or not getting the exercise that they need, which is also important for healthy sleep, or the nutrition to actually help them too. So I would recommend trying, maybe not at first 30 minutes, but maybe going to sleep 15 minutes and then taking it up to 30 minutes before usual. How much sleep do you actually get every night? Write it in the comments, please. Let's share with each other. I get about, if I'm very busy, about 6 hours, but I try to keep it at about 7 or 8 hours a day, and I meditate morning and evening. So sleep is very important. So for today, try going to bed 30 minutes earlier. Take care, stay safe.